Ever wondered what it's like to shave your head with a lawnmower? /N today we're tearing apart the Wahl Balding Clipper. This is the tool thousands trust for the ultimate skin clothes shave, but here's what surprised me. /N this thing has more problems than a math textbook. Therefore, if you're thinking of buying one, you need to hear this first. /N for the best price, click the link in the description. Let's get into it. /N I get it. You want that perfectly smooth, bald head. No stubble, no shadow, just clean dome. /N and on paper, the Wahl Balding Clipper looks like the champion. It's got a legendary name, a 4.4-star rating on Amazon, and it promises a cut so close you'll be reflecting light. But is that the whole story? Therefore, I bought it, I used it, and I've got some truths to share that those top reviews might not mention. /N let's start with the first problem. /N the hype is real. For about 5 minutes. Out of the box, this thing feels powerful. It's solid, it's got weight, it screams professional. You fire it up and that motor hums with a promise of destruction for your hair follicles. It comes with a few guards, oil, the works. You lather up, take the first pass, and wow, it is incredibly close. We're talking baby's bottom smooth. You feel like a superhero, but then you keep going. Therefore, the second problem rears its ugly, vibrating head. /N this clipper gets hot. And I don't mean warm like a cozy blanket. I mean surface of the sun, eine Dovenmitz hot. It's like Wahl secretly installed a tiny space heater inside. After just a few minutes of continuous use, that metal blade housing becomes a branding iron. You start doing a weird dance, using it for 10 seconds, then putting it down to cool, then picking it up again. It turns a 5-minute head shave into a 20-minute thermal management exercise. It's less of a barber tool and more of a patience test. Speaking of tests, how's your hand-eye coordination? /N because problem number 3 is the design. This clipper is bulky and awkward. It's shaped like a brick with a blade on the end. Trying to get a clean line around your ears or the back of your neck feels like performing surgery with a chainsaw. There's no ergonomic contour, no comfort grip for precise control. It's like they designed it for a giant with robot hands. Therefore, you end up with nicks and missed patches in the tricky areas, which defeats the whole purpose of a balding clipper meant for detail work. It's the automotive equivalent of a monster truck trying to parallel park. /N now, let's talk about maintenance, or as I like to call it, the hidden part-time job. /N, the fourth major issue is the cleaning. This thing is a hair magnet. The ultra-close cutting means hair dust and gunk get packed into every nook and cranny around the blade. You have to unscrew the blade, brush it out, oil it meticulously after every single use. If you don't, performance plummets faster than my motivation on a Monday morning. It starts pulling hairs instead of cutting them. That's not a haircut, that's a medieval torture technique. Therefore, the low-maintenance dream becomes a high-maintenance reality. /N but wait, there's more. The fifth problem is the noise. This isn't a quiet, gentle hum. This is a loud, angry buzz that sounds like an aggravated hornet nest. Trying to use it early in the morning or late at night. Forget it. You'll wake up everyone in your house, and possibly your neighbors. It's so loud you half expect a construction crew to show up and ask for their jackhammer back. /N so, we've got heat, awkward design, high maintenance, and noise pollution. Is there anything good? Therefore, let's be fair. When it's cool, clean, and oiled, the cutting performance is exceptional for the price point of around $80. That 4.4-star rating exists for a reason. For professionals in a barbershop who use it for 5 minutes at a time on a client and then can let it cool, it's a beast. But for the average guy at home, shaving his own head in one go, the experience is frustrating. It's like dating someone incredibly attractive who has a terrible personality. The first impression is great, but you quickly realize it's not sustainable. /N this brings us to the ultimate question. Should you buy it? Therefore, here's the resolution. You are a professional barber who needs that ultimate close shave for detailing and you have other clippers for bulk work. This can be a useful, specialized tool in your arsenal. You can manage its quirks. But if you are a consumer looking for your primary, at-home head shaving solution, I cannot recommend the Wahl Balding Clipper. The cons outweigh the pros for daily, personal use. The heat issue alone is a deal-breaker for most. And so, what's the alternative? Therefore, you have options. For a similar close shave with less heat and better ergonomics, consider a high-quality rotary shaver designed for heads, like the Pitbull Skull Shaver. Or look at other professional clipper brands like Andes or Oster that offer similar close-cutting blades, but in more versatile, cooler-running chassis. You might pay a bit more, but you're paying for comfort and usability. Think of it this way. You wouldn't buy a race car to drive your kids to school. You need the right tool for the job. In conclusion, the Wahl Balding Clipper is a powerful, one-trick pony that does that one trick very well, but it has too many glaring flaws for the average user. It's the clipper equivalent of a diva. Demanding, high maintenance, and occasionally brilliant, but mostly just hot and loud. For the best price on Amazon if you still want to brave it, or to check out those alternatives I mentioned, click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and remember, a smooth head shouldn't come with degree burns.